do today? Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is wonderful. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice some job stations. Now, you might be wondering, what in the world is that? A job station is just an activity that you can do by yourself. It should not be something new. It should be something that you can do all by yourself. Sometimes we might hear it called teach jobs or independent work, but I just like to call it job stations, so that's what we're going to call it today. And guess what? You don't need any supplies, so let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice those job stations, and when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, let's get started. We have our job station set up. So in this one, we're going to have little drawers where the activity is. I'm going to take each one out, do the activity, and then I will put it on the finish side. Sometimes you might have them in baskets where you just have it in here. You take it, take the job out, do it, and then put it back in and put it on the finish side. So it just depends on however yours might be set up. So let's move that there. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to start with my number 1. So if I were doing this, in the classroom or wherever, I would move this here, and I'm going to kind of open this so I don't forget to put my job in there. And then I'm going to actually open this up and take out my job. Okay, so I'm going to shut this because I'm done with it. Now, I have my matching job here. Looks like I have a fun winter picture of a sled. Ooh, and I have sled with some little Velcro. And I bet what I need is going to be in here. Now, so you can see it, let me grab something to help me out. Okay, I've got my handy dandy little background here to bring it up so we can see it. All right, so I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to, letters. I'm going to be matching my letters. So I'm going to look at them all here. They're going to be all mixed up probably, maybe even upside down. Okay, so I've got my letters. Now I'm going to look here at my first one and I see S. So I need to look at my letters, find my S. Oh, here it is. Okay, and then I'm going to match it. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to look. I need L. So I need to look at my choices. Which one is L? Oh, there it is. Alrighty. Boop. Okay, now I need E. All right, where's my E? Oh, yep, here it is. E. And my last one is D. All right, so I'm going to put that on there. Sled. Okay, now I'm all finished with this card, so this is what I do next. Okay, so I'm all finished with my card. I've spelled out the word sled, and I need to put it in the finish side because I'm all done with it. So I'm going to grab my extra pieces, put that in there, and then I'm going to hopefully be able to kind of squish this in there to make it fit, because usually your containers will be bigger if you were doing this in a classroom or somewhere. Okay, so I'm done with 1, so now I'm going to go to 2. All right, 2, I'm going to move it over. I'm going to open it just a little bit so I don't forget to put my stuff in, and I'm going to take out my stuff. I've got another winter word and another egg. Okay, so let me get my little backboard. Okay, looks like my next winter word, ooh, I can tell from this picture, this is cold. Okay, so I've got my egg. I'm going to open it up, get all my letters out. Come on out there, letters. Okay, now I'm going to put them here so I can see them, fix them. Some of them might be upside down. Okay, got them all out there. Okay, and we can kind of see them. All right, here we go. So I need my first letter, C. All right, look at my choices. Oh, this one looks the same. Match it. Yes. Okay, now I need my O. Oh, look, right there. There's my O. Okay, boop. There we go. All right, now I need L. Oh, look at that. L is right there. Okay, got it. And my last one, I need my D. Okay, so put it on there. Cold. Yes. Okay, now I have to put it in the finish side. Okay, here I go. I'm all done. So I'm going to grab my egg pieces, my egg shells, put them in number 2, and then slide this in there as best as I can because they're a little bit big. Okay, it's fine. All right, last job. I'm going to do this one without talking because we already talked about what to do. So if you were doing this on your own at school or just doing a special activity somewhere where you are learning, this is what you would do. Here we go. And we are done. When you are doing your independent job stations or just job stations, you do them quietly, you do them by yourself, and you do it like a rock star. Okay, let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Woohoo! That was awesome. We got to practice doing some job stations where we had to move the number 1 to the other side and then do the job that was in there and then put it away. And we had to do that for 1, 2, and 3. And all it was just matching, just some fun winter words, something that we could totally do, which was awesome. Okay, we're all done. So let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay, up and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye.